Are you struggling with training your new puppy? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many of us have been there, wondering how to get our furry little friends to understand and follow commands. It's a process that requires patience, consistency, and a whole lot of love. The journey to a well-behaved pup begins with the basics. These are the commands that form the foundation of good behavior and set the stage for more advanced training. Sit, stay, come. These might seem simple, but they're incredibly powerful tools in your puppy training toolkit. Sit helps your pup learn self-control. Stay is essential for safety and discipline. And come, that's the command that could potentially save your puppy's life one day. Training a puppy isn't always easy. It can be a challenge, a test of patience, but it's also an opportunity to build a strong, unbreakable bond with your adorable new companion. Remember, every puppy learns at their own pace, so don't get discouraged if progress seems slow. The sit command is an essential building block in puppy training. It's a fundamental skill that your furry friend needs to master. Here's how to do it. Start by holding a treat close to your puppy's nose. Allow their curiosity to lead them, but don't let them snatch it just yet. Now slowly raise your hand, allowing their head to follow the treat. As their gaze lifts, their bottom should naturally go down. As soon as they're in the sitting position, say sit, give them the treat and share some affection. Remember, the key is positive reinforcement, not physical force. Never push your puppy into a sitting position. It's all about creating a positive association with the command and the action. Also, repetition is crucial. Practice this multiple times a day, and soon enough, your puppy will sit on command even without the promise of a treat. With patience and consistency, your puppy will soon associate the sit command with the action. The stay command can be a little trickier, but it's just as important. Teaching stay involves guiding your puppy to remain in one spot even when you move away. Start by commanding stay while maintaining eye contact, then step back slowly. At first, keep the duration short, a few seconds perhaps, and gradually increase the time as your puppy becomes comfortable with this command. Reward your puppy with praises and treats each time they obey the stay command. This reinforcement will help them associate stay with positive experiences, making it easier for them to learn. Remember to practice this command in various locations too. This helps your puppy understand that stay applies anywhere, not just at home or in specific areas. One key thing to remember is to always return to your puppy, rather than calling them to you. This ensures they understand that stay means to remain in place until you return. Remember, training your puppy to stay is a gradual process, don't rush it. Come is an essential command for your puppy's safety. This command can help you keep your furry friend out of trouble and return them to you swiftly. Let's dive into the steps on teaching this vital command. Start by choosing a quiet, distraction-free space. This will allow your puppy to focus solely on you and the task at hand. Use a cheerful, inviting voice to call your puppy to you, saying, "Come." If they respond, applaud their achievement with enthusiastic praises and a tasty treat. If they don't respond immediately, don't worry. Patience is key. Try again in a few moments, keeping your tone upbeat and encouraging. Remember, puppies respond best to positivity and consistency. Once your puppy masters the come command in a quiet setting, gradually introduce them to more distracting environments. This will help reinforce the command, making it effective in any situation. The come command can save your puppy's life, so be sure to practice it regularly. It's not just about obedience, it's about ensuring their safety. Training a puppy isn't always easy, but it's absolutely worth it. We've journeyed through the basics of puppy training together, starting with simple commands, progressing to sit, stay, and come. Each of these steps is a building block, a foundation for a well-behaved and happy pup. Remember, patience is your best friend during this process. It's completely normal for your puppy to take some time to master these commands. After all, they're still learning about the world around them. Consistency is another key to success. Make sure to practice these commands regularly and in various scenarios. This ensures your puppy understands and responds to them no matter the situation. And let's not forget about the power of positive reinforcement. A little treat or a heartwarming cuddle can go a long way in motivating your puppy to learn. Each puppy is unique, learning at their own pace, so don't be discouraged if progress seems slow. These moments are precious, a part of the bond you're building. You're embarking on a wonderful journey with your new puppy. With patience and love, you'll both learn and grow together.